Do you want to make money online by doing online surveys, playing games, downloading apps, and watching YouTube videos? Here is the withdrawal proof. I personally tested this website. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you an easiest way to make money online by using your mobile phone in your extra time. I will also show you withdrawal proof. This is 100% real, 100% practical way to make money online. So please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notification for new uploaded videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Swagbucks. Yes, Swagbucks is a free and highly rated digital rewards and cashback site that paid over 831 million US dollars to its users. Swagbucks offer a number of activities for its users to make money online. All you need just a mobile phone and a strong internet connection. So let's get started. So open your Chrome browser and type swagbucks.com. As you can see, this is the website. Click sign up. Enter your Gmail. As I entered my email, enter your password. I recommend you to use this as password to avoid any password problem. Now re-enter your password. Accept all the terms and conditions and click sign up. Now here, it will take you to this page. Click agree to all and start earning. So here is the website. As you can see, 100 FB is equal to $1 US. Now you need to verify your Gmail. Now open your Gmail app. As you can see, there is an email from Swagbucks. Click verify. It will take you to this page. Click sign in with Google and choose your email. It will take you to the dashboard. As you can see, your email has been verified. As you can see, there are many surveys. As I completed one survey, it gave me 5 SV. You can also earn money by referring your friend. So, how to withdraw money? It is the main question. You can withdraw money through Payoneer and PayPal. So, for withdrawing money, click on the 3 lines, click rewards, and then click rewards home. As you can see, there are many gift cards, Amazon gift card, Payoneer gift card, and many more. So this is the website. Hope you like the video. If you find this valuable video, then please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.